Welcome back to our comprehensive guide on email marketing with tips from industry experts. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the essentials of email marketing, starting with the basics and diving into key areas for success. There are few tips at the end of video to make your email marketing campaign super success, so stay till the end of video so you don't miss it. Let's begin with an introduction to email marketing. It's a powerful tool that allows businesses to reach and engage with their audience directly in their inboxes. Email marketing helps build relationships, boost brand awareness, and drive conversions. Now, one of the fundamental aspects of email marketing is building a targeted email list. This ensures you're reaching the right people with your messages. To build your email list, you can implement various strategies. Start by creating enticing lead magnets such as free guides, ebooks, or exclusive content that people can access in exchange for their email addresses. You can also leverage social media platforms, website opt-in forms, and offline events to capture email addresses. The key is to provide value and give people a reason to join your list. Now that you have your email list, you'll need a reliable email service provider or ESP to manage your campaigns effectively. ESPs offer a range of features and functionalities to streamline your email marketing efforts. Popular ESPs like MailChimp, ConvertKit, Aweber, and Constant Contact provide user-friendly interface, email automation capabilities, customizable templates, and detailed analytics to track your campaign's performance. We will add the link to these in the description box below for your reference. Remember to consider factors like pricing, scalability, and integrations when choosing the right ESP for your business. Once you have your list and ESP in place, it's time to explore different email campaign types to engage your subscribers effectively. Newsletters are a great way to provide valuable content, updates, and industry insights to your audience on a regular basis. They help build trust and keep your brand top of mind. Promotional emails are designed to drive sales and conversions. Whether it's a flash sale, new product announcement, or special offer, promotional emails can entice your subscribers to take action. Automated drip campaigns are a set of pre-scheduled emails triggered by specific user actions or events. They allow you to nurture leads, onboard new subscribers, and re-engage inactive users automatically. Remember to plan your campaigns strategically. Segment your email list based on demographics or behavior, and personalize your content to maximize engagement. To truly connect with your audience, personalization is key. Tailoring your emails to individual preference and interests can significantly boost engagement and conversion rates. Segmenting your email list allows you to categorize subscribers based on specific criteria like demographics, purchase history, or engagement levels. By sending targeted content to each segment, you'll deliver more relevant and valuable messages. Now, let's talk about email deliverability and compliance. You can create the most compelling email campaigns, but they won't be effective if they end up in the spam folder or never reach your subscribers. To improve deliverability, maintain a clean and engaged email list by regularly removing inactive or disengaged subscribers. Also, ensure your email practices comply with regulations like the CAN-SPAM Act or GDPR, depending on your location. Now, let's shift our focus to email analytics and optimization. Understanding how your emails perform is essential for making data-driven decisions and improving your campaigns over time. Keep an eye on metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Analyzing this data will help you identify what works and what needs improvement, allowing you to optimize your email content and strategies. Automation allows you to save time, deliver timely messages, and nurture your subscribers effectively. With email workflows, you can set up automated sequence triggered by specific actions or events. These workflows can include welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, or re-engagement campaigns. Automation ensures your subscribers receive the right message at the right time. Remember, personalization, deliverability, analytics, and automation are the pillars that can take your email marketing to new heights. By leveraging these tools effectively, you'll build stronger relationships, drive conversions, and achieve your marketing goals. We hope you enjoyed the video and find it useful. If so, please subscribe Bigbyte channel and share this video on your social media handles. Thanks for watching.